weeds, moss. It's patchy and weedy. It's got to go. It really has to go. I've had enough. Not really sure what I'm doing here. Really. The thing is 35mm out.
It's that far out.
Laser leveling. $50 bags. I'll count them as I get rid of them. They're only 1/3 full. I don't want to pull a muscle lifting them, do I? I'm not letting it sit flat, so I'm going to cut those off. Grano dust, 2 bags of MOT. Got another jumbo bag, which I don't think I'm going to use all of. Definitely needed it. Laser in the bucket there. It beeps when it's too low or too high, or when it's the right level. Check the levels and see if I need to fill in any spots of MOT. Oops, it got away from me at the end. Took a chunk out of my wall. So the idea is, when the grass gets to that, I'm going to stick the grass with glue to that. So flatten up all the Grano dust, whack it, wet it, whack it, and then go from there. Great work, Lucas. I put some extra border in here so it didn't overflow. It's glued down. Cardboard job. Green tape is my level. Red line is the level on that side. But otherwise, I've got the brick wall, the decking, and the sleepers containing it all. The plastic edging is really what I'll use to screw the grass into later. Load of Grano dust. Bit of MOT left, which I'll throw around down here. Uh-oh, workers have stopped. Started playing basketball.
Me?
No, the other basketball player. Which again, this is like one of those things where I think, do I really need to? Cost 45 quid for the weekend. Got my edge in place here. Cleaned it up afterwards. So basically when the grass sits down, you don't want to see that edge. So that edge is going to sit below the wall and the grass is just going to poke above it. Should look nice.
I gave you first. Wait, stop pushing. Rest on your knee, Luke. It's over here.
I am? What do you think I'm doing? This one.
Right, don't move. I'm going to get up the step. Don't move. I'm going to go round. Okay. Help her.
What do you want me to do?
Wait, walk, get onto her.
I lost it.
Right, put it down.
I didn't think I did much.
Right.
This is way more than what I ordered. I ordered 4 meters by 3 meters. I think they've just given me the end of a roll here. I've got fucking shitloads. So it's really heavy, Thomas. I can't pull it. It's like, it's so sharp it's hurting my fingers. Right. Look. Driving these big nails, galvanised nails through, hold it in place.